dulo yun.
Academic Section, National Capital Region Police Training Center.
Number 7
I
pa.
have the
Pag
honor
ano,
to present
program.
you the 397 strong members of Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, classes Alpha of Hotel, ready to be recognized. Declaration of Recognition. By the authority vested upon me by the Director, National Police Training Institute, Police Major General Ronald O. Lee, and in my capacity as the Chief, National Capital Region Police Training Center, I now declare the 397 strong members of Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Batch 2024-01, Class Alpha Hotel, Sikay Talas, recognized effective this day. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin ang team.
At this juncture, may we request the keynote speaker, Director of National Police Training Institute, Police Major General Ronald Oliver Lee, to be assisted by the Chief of NCR-PTC, Police Colonel Marlon Ventura Rufo, NCR-PTC officers, other distinguished guests, and training staff for the opening of colors, giving of covenant handshake, and to extend their greetings to the newly recognized students.
Babay na. Wala na akong makita.